Oh, this
video.
Please, I'm begging you.
I'm
So I am now in the newest.
I am in the
I am in the newest game mode. New update game mode
where
where someone is a bear, a monster bear,
a yeet bear
and
or something.
you bear or something.
Then you need to run.
You need to run
Don't
for
get
it
tagged by
and
it.
don't get tagged by it.
Heel veel mensen willen beer houden. Dus dat oh ja, daar is de beer. Daar is de stuk.
Bro, dumbass! There was the bear. So let me look. I just watched my camera.
Staat dan ook in jouw videogeschiedenis, hè? Die maakt? Wie heeft er zo 500 bitcoin? Gewoon binnen 1 dag.
Ik?
Nee, ik heb. Ik heb gisteren pas mijn account aangemaakt.
So guys, where's the bear?
I want to show the bear
To my camera.
Bear, where
Bear, where
are you?
are you? I want to show you to my camera. Come here, bear. I have some sweet treats for you. Wait, guys, open the door.
Open the
Open the
door.
door.
Open the door.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the bear.
Oh, the bear.
Okay,
Okay,
no,
now I'm the bear.
Oh, hell.
Guys, I am the bear.
Someone
Someone just wants to be tagged.
Okay, open the
Okay,
door.
open the door. Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door. Open the door for them. Okay, I'll do it myself. Yes. Open. Why is it not opening? Please, open. There. And this is that cotton farm. And I have a super secret cotton farm somewhere. I need my stuff. Open the door for me whenever I come back, okay? No. Keep the lights on. Yeah. Go. Yeah, the lights are
Okay, that was my chest.
Okay, that was my chest. I did my... No, the bear's here.
Bear, wait, I want to film
Here.
you.
Bear, wait. I want to film you. Someone else back. Come on. There.
Wait, there's more contact.
It's me. Moet actually oefenen soms, like run hem. Doe dat wel eens. The bear! I hear the bear! Okay, the bear is coming on. Wait, that's ready for the... Ready for will be coming soon. Ready? Fast coming soon. Turn the light back on.
That's all you can get.
If you want camera, you need to get the mobile app. So then you see, you need to link your account to the PR from Yeet.
This is all
Like that. You need to click on buy create and buy these for 5 lakhs. Before you pick one, the bear's over there. Oh, ready for that? Nobody turn the lights on. I said nobody turn the lights on, for God's sake. Go away, Sean. There's the bear. There's the bear. No, can you? Guys, switch the color. This color. This is orange. Yep, that's the bear. Don't worry. Just everyone has that. We're on the wall. This is the it smells good. Stop! What are you right now? Are you there? Don't worry, guys. I got a torch. Smell the plant. No, kids are boring. Wait. Here. Zo'n Halloween event. The ghost, gnome, pumpkin. I got the candy. Oh wait, I will showcase the candy. Wait, my helicopter. My shot, the monster! Again! What did I say about putting the stuff in the fridge? You can get some stuffing. Yeah? Or you can like fly with bombs or something. Yeah, like this. This is what can happen with these one. Then you can I know you do that. I'm not in there.
Hello?
It was just really good update.
Oh my god, we're doing in-game transactions. No way. What? So I'm guessing you got me for your birthday. My birthday's in 6. Let's do backflip.
Dus helemaal
little bro.
just
Hello guys. You can choose which camera do I need to use now. The one with the stick or the one that I'm using now, the drone or the normal one? The drone? Okay, drone.
Oh, you are so lucky if your birthday's on Christmas. No, don't worry, it's 3 days before. Oh, you get even more presents.
Are they all
Basically.
Oh my god, it's content here! He's making so much money off the recording! Oh my god! He's gay.
The ghost. No. Who made here a weed farm? Justin!
Yeah?
Here's something for the daily quest. Come. This is for daily quest.
Ik heb het al
Thank you.
Ik ga naar mijn home staan.
Okay, we're going to right.
Oh shoot.
Jullie, wacht even, blijf even.
Accidentally throw it away.
Jullie, blijf daar even. Want dan kunnen we nog meer pakken.
I'm dating this.
Wacht jullie, blijf daar even. Dan kunnen we ook weer pakken. En dan wacht ik ook weer op jou. Kunnen we meer
I'm going. Justin, are you here?
Ja. Ik ga het nu
Just talk English.
Now I have some of those, so I can form. For the daily quest. But if you're asking, what's this? It's a gas room. Oh shit. Just say, can you come to me?
Wait.
I'm stuck.
Hoe is mijn huis goed gekocht?
So,
I'm stuck now.
in the gas room.
In the gas room.
I'm coming.
I don't like these anymore. Shikabi. I can gas myself. It's in gas room. It's for the toxic slayers. If someone is toxic out, like we will gas in your room.
Hello?
Just stay. Talk.
Okay?
Open
Open the door. Are you okay?
Yeah. Just open. Do you want to get in it, Justin? Get in. Come on, get in. Get in.
Come on.
Open it. What are these?
You're getting gas. Okay. Let's close this and
Come here. Actually, this is the end of the video, man.
bye.
Bye.